Hello viewers, welcome to Anu's Hobby Lobby. Happy Holi to you and your family. I would like to share in this video Holi colors which are easily we can make it at home. These organic and eco-friendly Holi colors are definitely a worth try rather than getting the artificial colors from outside which has a lot of chemicals and which can have impact on your skin later. So let's get started in making these holy colors at home with the available fruits, vegetables and flowers as well. So we'll be starting with the easiest method. In a bowl, we'll take equal amount of besan or chickpea flour as well as haldi or turmeric powder and we'll mix all together. So this is one of the color which we can make. It becomes like light orangish color. So this is ready. You can keep it aside and can use any time. And the next one is you can take spinach or any greeny vegetables which you are available at your home, and then we'll make into a fine paste and take it into a bowl. On stove top we'll just warm it for few minutes. Once a boil is coming, then we'll add a required amount of cornstarch, or you can add rice flour as well if you don't have cornstarch. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of cornstarch here, but instead you can replace it with rice flour. Don't overcook it, otherwise it may burn it out. So we'll take it into a plate and spread it evenly so that it will cool down very quickly. And we follow the same process for everything. Make sure it's not runny and we'll keep it aside. So for the next color, I'm taking strawberries. Make it into a smooth paste and then we'll transfer it into a bowl and keep it on stove top. So just make sure there are no pieces of strawberries remaining, or once we add the powder it should be very fine. So you can add the cornstarch and rice flour first, mix it all together and keep it on stove top, or boil strawberry paste first if it's runny and then add the powder later. So I'm adding 4 tablespoons of rice flour here, or you can replace the rice flour with cornstarch, and or you can make like 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch as well. So this is a binding agent. So we are just making not too runny, or it's like it should be very thick dough consistency. And then once you transfer it into a plate, just spread it and keep it aside. The next color I'm going to make is with blueberries. So if you do not have blueberries, you can also use beetroot. It will give you almost similar color. We'll add 4 tablespoons of rice flour here again and then mix it all together. After 3 to 4 minutes, this becomes thick like a dough, and then we'll turn off the flame and transfer it into a bowl. So we'll follow the same process for all the vegetables and fruits with different colors we are making. So here I'm taking orange, making it into a fine paste. If needed, we'll add little more water and blend it into a fine smooth paste. And we'll here I'm showing like little bit runny consistency of this carrot. It made like a puree but not like a dough. So if you make like a puree, then it will be very hard to dry it out. So if you keep it in the hot sun for even after 2 days, it won't be like this thick. So once it's sun dried, like at least for half of the day, this should be very thick, like very dried out, as seen here. So if you have seen the carrot, it made like a puree. So just make sure you are not doing that mistake, like where it is becoming like a puree form, because after like couple of days of sun dried also, it won't become thick. And it should not leave any moisture in it once you grind it again. So we'll make sure there is no moisture and it's dried out properly under the sun, and we'll make it into fine powder. This is the final processed powder, how it needs to be looked, so that the color and when the kids or adults play with this, it will be very smooth, and this will definitely leave a good color and smell. So you can also mix it in the water and use it as a watercolors. So if you like this video, please do share it with everyone, and thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on bell notification. Thank you.